In addition to polylines, points, and polygons or line strings, we also can create circles. Now there's two options for creating circles. There's a circle and a 3-point circle. The regular circle command, again, you can give it a name, a layer, an elevation for the center point, and then you're going to pick the location of the center point. So whatever your northing and easting or X and Y is, and then it's going to ask you for your radius. So what is the radius of the circle? And you can pick that or enter that value in here. Now again, you can also select that and look at its properties, where I can come in and I can adjust the radius. So if I made that 500, you'll see that it changes the radius value. There are grips where I can actually grip and grip edit the location as well as the radius of that circle. In addition to that method, there is a circle 3-point circle, and that works a little bit different. It's basically, you can still give it an elevation. So let's say I make it 100, and it's going to ask me for my first point, a second point, and then a third point. So you can see, depending on where I put this third point will depend on the diameter, location, and orientation of basically of the circle. So by doing that, once you do that though, all right, and I define those points, it looks just and acts just like a regular circle. So if I look at the properties, even though I did a 3-point circle, it's still controlled by the radius. So I can come in here and make that 450, and I can scale and move it around accordingly. So it's just in the creation of the circle that is a 3-point circle.